Manta, the first modular layer 2 and one of the finest networks in existence, has the potential to become one of the leading layer 2s of the coming bull run. Layer 2 networks, in my opinion, will trend beyond belief, and with that, obviously we can expect native tokens to increase in value. That is why today we will be discussing why I think Manta Network's token Manta could potentially 20x from its current price point. Also guys, we have a giveaway live on our channel at the moment, so get involved by watching that video and following simple instructions. It ends on the 18th of March, so get started if you wish. But before we begin, I'm Theo, a content creator for the Alt Crypto Talk team. Remember, nothing in this video is financial advice, purely my own opinion and based on my own research. Do not invest in anything you can't afford to lose, and be sure to smash that like and subscribe button and leave a comment if you have any questions whatsoever. And be sure to follow us on Twitter at AltCryptogens for daily crypto content, and check out our website for frequent guides, project reviews, articles, and everything crypto related. My friends, let's jump straight into the video. Alright, we're officially on the Manta Network website, which is manta.network. This is not the first time we visited the Manta Network. For those of you who were here a few months ago, we actually did a Manta Network airdrop guide, which we received, and I received around $170 to $200 worth of Manta. However, I'm here to tell you that I believe Manta can do a 20x from its current price point. I'm going to explain why, and I'm going to explain exactly what the Manta Network is, and why I believe it can actually do this sort of price change. Now, obviously nothing in this video is financial advice. Manta is a very new network still, therefore it has a lot of testing and it hasn't stood the test of time, so remember to do your own research. But I honestly believe Manta will be a leading layer 2 network in my opinion. As you can see on the left hand side, it's powered by Celestia, Polygon, Optimism Stack, and Polkadot. Guys, this is one of the most amazingly powered networks that we've seen come into existence. However, what I'm going to do is, guys, I'm going to go through two incredible articles written up by the Alt Crypto Talk team, one by Yagyesh and one by Richard, which Manta was mentioned as the coin of the week in week 10. And that was last week. We are currently on week 11. However, Manta Network is still, in my opinion, going to be a coin of the year. So what we're going to do is we're going to briefly go through what the Manta Network is. I would explain it all and just speak out and just tell you exactly what it is for 5-10 minutes. However, I can't fault these two articles that have been written by the Alt Crypto Talk team, which I think are absolutely outstanding. So I'm going to quickly read through some of the best parts of these articles, and then I'm going to pick out some other things I want to show you as to why I believe Manta could 20x. So in a nutshell, what is the Manta Network? Well, Manta Network is a modular zero-knowledge powered blockchain platform designed to foster the development of scalable, privacy-preserving decentralized applications. Leveraging the power of ZK proofs, Manta offers two distinct networks, Manta Pacific, an Ethereum-based layer 2 ecosystem for ZK applications, and then we've got Manta Atlantic, the lightning-fast ZK layer 1 on Polkadot. So my friends, we've got two outstanding networks in one under the name of Manta. However, for those who don't understand what ZK proofs are, they basically allow one party, the prover, to prove that another party, the verifier, can possess certain knowledge or information without revealing the actual information itself. Think of it like a magic trick where you can convince someone you know the secret without ever disclosing it. So in a nutshell, we can experience more private, secure, faster, and cheaper transactions, all through our favorite decentralized applications. However, how does the Manta Network work? Well, like we said, guys, it is split up into two networks. We've got the layer 1 and the layer 2, as mentioned by Yagyesh. Manta Pacific, the layer 2, obviously is powered by the Ethereum native gas token. It leverages the power of Celestia's data availability solution and Polygon ZK EVM's technology to deliver a highly scalable and cost-effective environment for deploying ZK-powered DApps. Guys, you know how bullish we are on both Celestia and Polygon, and for Manta to choose both these networks to me is a huge green flag and something I am very excited for, as I know that I'm both bullish on Celestia and Polygon, and now I'm extremely bullish on Manta. They are utilizing some of the greatest technology in the blockchain industry and could very well position themselves to be one of the largest networks in existence. Now, Manta Pacific basically allows us to connect to EVM compatible DApps. I'll show you the Manta Pacific ecosystem shortly. However, for the Manta Atlantic network, you're going to be using Manta tokens to pay for the gas fees, whereas like I said with the Pacific, you'll be using the Ethereum token, as it is an Ethereum based layer 2. However, for the Atlantic network, it is the fastest ZK layer 1 chain on Polkadot. It introduces a new concept called the ZK SBTs, also known as zero knowledge simple barter tokens. This enables private, reusable, and auditable address system known as ZK addresses. With ZK SBTs, users can verify their identities or credentials in a trustless, decentralized manner without exposing any sensitive personal information. So like I said, guys, this is the new layer 1 privacy network with secure, faster transactions. This opens up a world of possibilities for applications that require secure on-chain identity verification, such as KYC processes, digital credentials, and much more. Guys, this is the future of networks right here, the Manta Atlantic. So, Manta Network use cases, we've got private transactions. Like I said in past videos as well, privacy is going to be a huge narrative, 100 million%, especially once CBDCs come into existence. We'll definitely see privacy tokens thriving like we've never seen before. Obviously, decentralized applications is another use case which every network has. We've got GameFi and digital identities, which is another huge one, and compliance and regulatory solutions, which in my opinion will bring in billions of dollars towards the Manta Network. Now, the Manta token, we all know, like I said at the beginning of the video, this was airdropped to thousands or millions of users. The Manta token is a multi-purpose utility asset that serves various functions within the network. Now, the Manta token, like I said, guys, it does have various utilities. However, the two primary functions are A, governance, and B, obviously, to use it as the gas token on the Atlantic network. Now, you can also use the Manta to stake. However, it does require a large amount of Manta tokens if you wish to stake your tokens. However, my friends, that is basically the article in a nutshell. There is more to it, and you can read it all, and I would highly recommend doing so. And this is written by the legend himself, Yagyesh, which is on the Alt Crypto Talk team. So I'll leave this link in the description below if you would like to understand Manta Network further. But like I said, I only picked out the top bits that I thought were important to read out. But I would also like to read out some amazing points which were also brought out by Richard on the coin of the week, week 10, which was Manta Network, like I mentioned earlier. Now, this article briefly does explain what the Manta Network is, so if you would like to know more about it, you can do it in the words of Richard. However, I'm going to be actually going through his technical analysis, which is absolutely amazing, and I thought you would all like to see it. So, from a technical perspective, Manta has been trading within a range between $2.50 support and $3.80 resistance. Currently, Manta is hovering around the lower bound of the range, prompting us to look for potential buy setups or lower timeframes. So, as you can see here, guys, we've got the potential buy setups indicated by Richard himself. This is the 4-hour time frame for Manta. In the 4-hour time frame, for the bulls to take control, a break above the last major high marked red at $3.15 is needed. In such a scenario, we anticipate a bullish surge towards the $3.80 resistance level. Why is Manta the coin of the week in week 10, which was last week? For this week, we have chosen Manta because of its innovative features, such as ZK address system, 100% like we said, for enhanced privacy and interoperability, and the prove key feature for selective credential sharing. Its dual network approach caters to diverse user needs, while its growing ecosystem of projects showcases its potential for widespread adoption and utility. Moreover, from a technical perspective, it is currently hovering around the lower bound of its range, providing us with an opportunity to capitalize on the upcoming bullish impulse movement, as you can see down here. So we've got a buy range of $2.70 to $2.40, target points $3.10, $3.80, $4.50, and stop loss of which is optional at $2. So, guys, I think this is absolutely incredible. I love the way that Richard has pointed it all out and made it very clear for us to understand, especially me, which is not a trader and has no idea about any technical patterns whatsoever. So, Richard, you have been spot on so far, and Richard was not the only person on the Alt Crypto Talk team to do a technical analysis on Manta. If you remember, a couple weeks ago, we had Jules actually made a video mentioning how Manta and Ondo could actually 2x from its current price point, which at the time was roughly $3, and now we are well on our way to $6 and beyond. So if you want to watch that video, I will leave that link in the description below, as I highly recommend watching it. It is some incredible technical analysis that will help you further understand. However, I'll also mention that the fact that if you're using the Hyperlane airdrop tutorial, you can qualify for some nice airdrops by using the Manta Network and Celestia protocol. If you watch that video, you will understand what I mean, but all you have to do is basically just bridge tier tokens to and from Celestia and Manta Network and Arbitrum and Neutron and other networks in order to qualify for that airdrop. I know that's off topic, but it kind of is related. Manta Network did an airdrop. They're connected with Celestia, Optimism, Polygon, all of which are doing airdrops all over the place. I know everyone is. However, you might as well use the Manta Network to grab yourself some more airdrops. However, my friends, at the moment, they actually have got what's known as the Golden Treasure Shovel NFT. I actually didn't manage to get one of these, so if I connect my wallet and show you, and switch to Manta Pacific, you are not eligible. However, if you were eligible, congratulations, you should claim it now because there's only around 1,100 left. Now, if you don't make it in time, unlucky, it doesn't matter, but all you had to do to become eligible was have the Mystical Manta NFT into the blue or the first Modular L2 New Paradigm NFT. So I'm just going to leave that there, but just saying Manta Network is probably going to be doing more airdrops soon. Like I said, we did claim the first airdrop and they distributed 50 million tokens. I've already claimed my airdrop, so I'm not going to be able to claim it again, obviously. Now guys, at the moment, the Manta Network token Manta is currently priced at $3.90 with a market cap of $980 million, ranking it the 112th largest cryptocurrency by market cap. It's currently breaking all-time highs. It's just peaked over $4 but has scooped down below. Literally 12 hours ago it hit $4.08. And guys, as you can see, Richard has already hit 2 target points for Manta. If you followed the coin of the week, you would be in serious profits right now if you're trading. And we are well on our way to the 3rd target point of $4.50, which I definitely think is coming very, very soon, and sooner than the bull run. Now, in the bull run, guys, like I said, I think it will 20x. But why? Well, the fact that this is a layer 2 network, a layer 1 network with incredible privacy features, the ZK addresses, the incredible ecosystems they have, which, as you can see over on the network, if you go up to ecosystem, you can scroll down and take a look at all different decentralized applications, which are all top tier, well, most of them anyway. You'll find many that you'll recognize. This is another reason why I'm very bullish on Manta Network, is because of its thriving ecosystem, which without a thriving ecosystem, the bull run will just do nothing. So Manta Network is definitely going to do wonders because of this ecosystem. Not only that, guys, like I said, the privacy narrative is going to be absolutely huge. And I did mention before with the CBDCs, once that does come into play, more regulations start coming out all around the world with cryptocurrencies. You know that privacy tokens are going to be the place to be. No one wants to have the government tracking our every single move. That's the reason why we're on the blockchain, and that's the reason why privacy tokens such as Manta will definitely thrive once that happens. However, that is not the only reason why. Like I said, layer 1s and layer 2s will always thrive, especially in the bull market. Layer 1s are the foundation of everything we know, and obviously with the Manta Atlantic network, which uses the Manta token as the gas fees, obviously if the Manta network is going to do well, then the Manta token obviously will thrive and increase in value. That also goes the same with the layer 2. Obviously, we can't use it as the gas token, but it is the governance token, and it can still be traded on the layer 2 network. And I believe that in the future, we will see some more use cases for the Manta token. However, it is a very unique protocol, guys. That's what I love to see. It is innovating. What we like to see is innovation, and by far, this is innovation at its finest. It's the first modular blockchain on Ethereum, guys. But where can I see the price going exactly? Well, I think that in the early stages of a bull run, guys, we'll see Manta Network hit around $30, which would mean it would hit the market cap of $7.3 billion. Guys, when the bull market's in full force, we're going to see trillions and trillions of dollars in the market, and $7 billion for Manta is still just a teeny tiny amount. I think that it's going to be so much more coming into these layer 1s and layer 2s than all of the other altcoins, and that is why I think this is an easy target for the early stages of the bull run. But if I was going to go up a level, like I said, I believe that Manta can 20x, which would roughly take it to the market cap of Shiba Inu at $19.39 billion, making Manta hit a price of $77.13. And I think this is very, very possible. Like I said, this is my main target for the Manta token, but I really do believe that it can go beyond this. I'm not saying that it's going to hit the all-time high market cap of SHIB, but it's very possible. I mean, look at this, guys. $41 billion for a meme coin. Come on. I mean, with real use cases behind the Manta token, it really is also possible for Manta to do a 41x and hit the price of $160. However, it's still relatively new, and it could do this, but it might not be the most conservative opinion, obviously. But if I was to go a step below this, but a step above the current market cap of Shiba, I would say my highest target for Manta this bull run for it to be $100, reaching the market cap of Cardano ADA at $26.97 billion. Guys, I think a $100 price point would be more than enough for the Manta token. Obviously, this might not happen. Obviously, it really could happen. Like I said, trillions of dollars are going to come into this market, and Manta taking up only $25 billion is absolutely minuscule. That is a quarter of $100 billion. That is literally 2.5% of $1 trillion. Imagine if there's $10 trillion in the market, that's 0.025% of the total market cap if Manta has a $25 billion market cap. I think that is very conservative still, yet a 20x, in my opinion, is more likely. $70 to $80 price point for Manta is absolutely possible. I'm not saying it's going to happen. It's not financial advice. Always do your own research. My friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, and if you want us to cover any other protocols like this, let us know and I'll make a video for you guys. I appreciate you all so much. Don't forget to participate in the giveaway if you are interested. My friends, we appreciate you all, and we can't wait to see you in the next video. And we currently have a promotion running on Bybit, the best centralized exchange platform for buying, trading and earning. Bybit is home to all your favorite cryptocurrencies, and you can claim up to $4,380 just by signing up using the link in the description below. It's simple. If you need help finding the right crypto gems, then follow us on Twitter at altcryptogems and head over to our website to get your hands on detailed project reviews, crypto guides and more. Thank you very much for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful and informative. Until next time, DGens.